All right, I'm getting a new air compressor, so I'm going to sell this one. Today is December 30th, 2020. Just figured I'd do a video of it running. Post to YouTube. Anyway, this pump is about a year and a half, 2 years old probably. I replaced that a while back. And the motor is good to go. It's a 5 horsepower, about 14 CFM rated. And I have a picture on the side. Well, some of the info here. It will zoom. 14 CFM, air delivery, 12 at 40 PSI and 10 at 90. It's a decent compressor. 60 gallon, 5 horsepower. Here we go. So pumps up to about 120 and then shuts off. It's dual piston, obviously. Not too loud, pretty average. Been using it on my glass cabinet. It'll hold at 80 PSI, but it runs the whole time, so that's why I'd rather get a bigger air compressor. There we go, about 122. I don't know if you heard, but I was saying when I use my blast cabinet, it will hold at 80 PSI consistent, but it runs the whole time. So that's why I'm going with the 80 gallon. But good for air tools, grinding tools, a little bit of blasting. Probably like a Harbor Freight blast cabinet would do just fine. Something that you're not, blasting for 5-10 minutes or more, shouldn't be an issue. But great for the home. Measures about, I think that's about 28 inches or so. This is 33. So shoot, probably a lot less than that. Actually, let's just measure it real quick. Oh yeah, it's like 22, 23 inches. 23. Not too bad. And a little under 6 feet tall.